Welcome back, Roblox enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an exciting new update that allows you to showcase your work directly on your Discord profile. This is a fantastic way to let everyone know about your creative projects on Roblox. So let's jump into it. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Discord website. Once you're logged in, you're ready to go. Next, look for the More icon, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your Discord screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal dots. Click on that to open up a menu with additional options. From there, select Profiles. This is where the magic happens. Your profile is where you can customize your information and let others know more about yourself, including your Roblox work. Now, scroll down until you see the About Me section. This is your chance to shine. Write about your Roblox creations, games, or any projects you're proud of. Be creative, and make sure to include any relevant links if you want to direct others to your work. Once you've filled out the About Me section, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom. This ensures your changes are updated, and now your profile will reflect all the cool things you've been working on in Roblox. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added your work on Roblox to your Discord profile. Start sharing your creativity with the community, and who knows what exciting collaborations await you. Happy gaming, and we'll see you in the next video.